Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is tenses. Okay. In this topic, we'll discuss the classification based on time frame, classification based on aspects, list of rules, present tense, past tense, future tense. Okay. So what is tense? The word tense is derived from Latin word tempus, which means time. A verb indicates the time of an action, event, or condition by changing its form. Okay, based on time frame, the verb tenses may be categorized according to the time frame like present tense, past tense, and future tense. What are the present tense? Present tense express an unchanging, repeated, or reoccurring action or situation that exists only now. It can also represent a widespread truth. Past tense. Past tense expresses an action or situation that was started and finished in the past. Future tense. Future tense expresses an action or situation that will occur in the future. Okay, based on aspects. So, based on aspects, verb tenses may also be categorized according to the aspects. Aspects refers to the nature of the action described by the verb. There are four aspects: indefinite or simple, continuous or progressive, perfect or complete, perfect continuous. Indefinite tense. The three indefinite tenses or simple tenses describe an action but do not state whether the action is finished. Continuous tense. The three continuous tenses, incomplete tenses, or progressive tenses describe an unfinished action. Perfect tense. The three complete tenses or perfect tenses describe a finished action. Perfect continuous tends to combine the complete tenses and the incomplete tenses to describe an action which was in progress and then finished. Okay, there are chart in which we can understand the verb tenses, like there are three tenses: present, past, and future. In present, we have present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. And in past, we have past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and the last one is past perfect continuous. Likewise, in the future, we have future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and the last one is future perfect continuous. Okay, here is the list of rules of these tenses, like which rules you have to put in according to your time, like present, past, and future. Like there are three tenses: present, past, and future. And in single form, you have to put first form plus ses. In progressive form, you have to put am is are first form plus ing. In perfect forms, you have to put have, has plus third form. In perfect progressive form or perfect continuous form, you have to put have, has been first form plus ing. Okay. In past tenses, you have to put the second form in single form. Progressive form was were first form plus ing. In perfect form, you have to put had plus third form. And in perfect progressive form, you have to put had been plus first form plus ing. Future tenses. In single forms, you have to put will, shall plus first form. In progressive form, you have to put will be plus first form plus ing. In perfect form, you have to put will have plus third form. And in the last one, perfect progressive form, you have to put will have been plus first form plus ing. Okay, next. We have categories of present tenses like present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. I'll discuss them one by one. What is present indefinite tense? Present indefinite tense, the simple present, is used to describe an action, an event, or condition that is occurring in the present at the moment of speaking or writing. For example, I play, he, she plays. Okay? The next one is present continuous tense. The present continuous emphasizes the continuing nature of an act, event, or condition. For example, I am playing, he or she is playing, they are playing. The next one is present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe an action that began in the past and continues into present or has just been completed. For example, I have played, he or she has played, they have played. Okay? Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous is used to describe an action, event, or condition that has begun in the past and continues into the present. For example, I have been playing, she has been playing. Okay, so we have the past tenses. In past tenses, we have past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. We'll discuss one by one. Okay, past indefinite tense. The simple past is used to describe an action or event, condition that occur in the past. For example, I played, she played, they played. Okay? Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions ongoing in the past. For example, I was playing, she was playing, you were playing, and they were playing. Okay? Then we have past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to refer to action that took place and were completed in the past. For example, I had played, she had played, they had played. Okay? Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous is used to indicate that a continuing action in the past began before another past action began or interrupted the first action. For example, I had been playing and she had been playing. Okay, then we have the future tense. They are divided into future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and the last one is future perfect continuous. And likewise, I'll discuss one by one. Future indefinite tense. The simple future is used to refer action that will take place after the act of speaking or writing. For example, I will play, she will play, they will play. Okay? Then we have future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to describe actions ongoing in the future. The future progressive is used to refer to continuing action that will occur in the future. For example, I will be playing, she will be playing. Okay? Then we have future perfect tense. The future perfect is used to refer to an action that will completed sometime in the future before another action takes place. For example, I will have played, she will have played, and they will have played. Okay? Then we have future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous tense is used to indicate a continuing action that will be completed at some specific time in the future. For example, I will have been playing and she will have been playing. Okay, the last slide we have the list of example of these tenses. For example, you can see that there are three tenses, present, past, and future, and there are different examples that will explain how these tenses used in the sentence. For example, in single forms we used I play. In progressive form we used I am playing. Then perfect form in I have played, and then in progressive form we used I have been playing. So likewise there are many examples you can see here. Okay, Thank you very much, and please subscribe my channel for more videos.